everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upload. I'm back again with Mazet soap story. Today we're talking about Gomora Mzansi Magic. Guys, it's been months based around this storyline esisodwa Tati and Mazet planning to kill Don, and lately even Don's crew Ntokozo have turned their back on him. Everyone is planning to kill Don, and finally his character will be killed off, and I assume Tati and her crew on Ntokozo will pull the trigger. Guys, Mazet will be left in a wheelchair, and it's reported that she will never be able to walk again. So guys, that will be the worst news for Teddy and Sibongile, including their mother Zodwa. Olahle ubongani wabuyela ku Don futhi. I don't know guys if uZodwa urata chelete or what, but she's still going to suffer again financially. Will you advise Bongani to come to her rescue again? That's bring us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.